Horses out, the lively dude. Past the begin, down on the inside is Grey Angel. Jai Ho is racing in third, London Dry. Then comes Myray, Europa comes next, down on the inside, Victory Joe. Viva Bola, Marcus Wolf, then followed over by number 1, Asikuda. And Mount Panama is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Lively Dude by about 3 lengths. Grey Angel in second, 5 lengths away in third, Jai Ho alongside fourth, London Dry. Europa comes next, Victory Joe, Myray, then followed by number 10, Marcus Wolpa. Viva Bola, Mount Panama went trails the Billies, Asikuda by about 14 to 15 lengths up the pace. And it's still Lively Dude by about 7 lengths. Jai Ho in second, moving up on the outside, London Dry. Europa in fourth, Grey Angel, then comes Myray. And it's still Lively Dude by about 4 lengths. Jai Ho now trying to get closer in second, London Dry on the outside, third, Europa in fourth. As they come down to the last 150. Lively Dude moving up, Jai Ho on the outside, down on the inside is London Dry, Europa. It's now Jai Ho by about 3 lengths, Lively Dude, London Dry, Europa. Last 75 meters, we have Jai Ho by about 4 lengths. And finally, Jai Ho. Second, Lively Dude, then comes London Dry, Europa, Viva Bola.
Sino yung panganin?
Si